January, and the streets try to come here in July or August. The first time we came to Cala, you remember? Almost 6 years ago, when we came to Mallorca. Ah, it's February. Okay. It doesn't matter. Yeah. 6 years ago, first time we came to Mallorca, it was Cala Gran. 6 years. 6 years later, we're still here.